All right, well, I'm back at it. Out here kind of got to go through some of this stuff and keep getting it pulled up. Again, the goal is to get to the big tree right over there and get it where I can make that part of my yard. Got quite a bit of stuff pulled out of here the other day. A few trees pulled up. Some of them have already been moved. A few of them still sitting here, but I'm going to keep working through this till we get it completed. And I'd like to come through here and level as much of this off as I can. And eventually get some grass growing in there. I'm going to use the rake to clean up some of the stuff I drug out of the wooded area the other day. If you were just here to see the Stump Bucket video, you can go ahead and skip ahead to about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's where the Stump Bucket comes into play. If you don't have a 3-point rake, this thing is proven to be invaluable. I'll put an Amazon associate link in the description for the Titan model that I have. But you can also check your local Facebook marketplace and find a used one much cheaper. Since it isn't anything mechanical, you'll mostly be concerned about finding rust spots, especially if they're rusting all the way through the metal. As long as it looks sturdy, you'll likely be okay. It is a bit wetter out here today than I was hoping. I'm making quite the mess. But I'm going to need to level this entire area before spring anyway. Hopefully I'll have a bit more area to get the grass growing. This rake does such a good job with this mess. It would take such a long time to clear this by hand. Now we switched around and we're using the Stump Bucket. I'll put an Amazon associate link in the description for the newer model of this Titan Stump Bucket that I purchased in 2022. I love how the teeth can grab the trees and limbs without me having to get off the tractor.
Now let's go back to normal speed for the stump bucket work. And here comes the part that was foreshadowed at the beginning. I need to be a bit more careful. Maybe I need to wear my chainsaw hard hat when I'm out here taking down these small trees. This is the second time recently when a small tree has fallen on me. Well, it's about time to put the tractor up for today. It is a bit wet to be out here tearing up the yard like this. Thanks for watching. Get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather.